Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. Thanksgiving in the USA is almost here, and the holidays means a few things. Gathering with family and friends, love and laughter, remembering old times, and making new memories. But if you are vegan, it also means a few other things, like talking about your vegan diet and defending your vegan lifestyle with your family and friends who just don't get it. Rather than get into a heated debate and breaking out the statistics at the dinner table as to why going plant-based is just better for everyone, shove a piece of vegan cake or pie in their mouths and let them realize for themselves that they really won't be missing out on a thing by going vegan. So with that idea, I present to you 8 of my most fabulous holiday ideas, all of them super easy and super decadent. No Thanksgiving dessert table is complete without a pumpkin pie, right? And if you show up with some crappy vegan version, you're just going to validate their arguments that vegan food sucks. Not with this recipe. You will have them confused and guessing with this pumpkin pie. It is made with all the same ingredients as the classic, just no eggs, no death, disease, or cruelty. This pumpkin pie is so custardy, creamy yet firm with a nice dollop of coconut whipped cream and, well, yeah. Let's just keep it moving though. We can't get all jammed up on the first recipe. Next, for a showstopper that will surely get everyone's attention, my New York style cheesecake is topped with maple walnut baklava. I really don't have too many words for this. I mean, just look at this. My vegan cheesecake recipe is by far the best. It has fooled many non-vegans as they have just sworn that it is definitely not vegan. So take that New York style cheesecake and add to it this elegant and classy, delicious walnut baklava, and, well, we could really just drop the mic here, but wait, there's more. Italian cannolis for the win. With 2 recipes to choose from, I show you either the store-bought ricotta version or I have a homemade tofu ricotta, which I actually prefer. So you will have yourself some authentic cannoli to serve up with or without the next amazing creation, the Italian ricotta cheesecake. Again, another showstopper as people automatically think vegan is going to taste, well, vegan. But I assure you these desserts are so close to what people know and expect from the originals that you will just have no problem convincing them that they are not going to miss out on a single minute of wonderful by going vegan. I have to be honest, I surprised myself with this recipe. When I made the first test for the Italian ricotta cheesecake veganized, I was literally floored. This is such a close representation to the original that I used to sell when I had my bakery. You guys, if there is any recipe that you should make this holiday season, it is definitely this one. Next up, I have more pumpkins and more cheesecake thrown together for these pumpkin pie cheesecake bars. Baked on a ginger cookie crust with candied pecans to decorate, or just make the candied pecans and call it a day. These are perfect to offer as a little gift too, so if you're going to somebody's house for Thanksgiving this year, offer to make these pumpkin pie cheesecake bars and then give them their own jar of candied pecans as a housewarming gift. Okay, now for a couple more no-bake recipes. Now, I made this maple cream pie as a switch from the traditional pumpkin pie one year, and let me tell you, this one is a winner. I don't often make recipes with cashews as I just think they're too expensive for my tastes, although I do love them. So a one-time splurge would definitely be great for a holiday gathering like Thanksgiving. This is a creamy maple filling on top of a date nut crust. This is how so many people make their vegan cheesecakes nowadays, with the cashew base, and while I can't really say that I feel like it tastes like cheesecake, it really is a wonderful rendition of a maple cream pie. So if you're looking for something different and unique this Thanksgiving, I would definitely recommend making this. So I have another no-bake option, and this is the decadent chocolate truffle orange tart. I love chocolate and orange together, and with these candied oranges, a hint of orange marmalade, and rich chocolate ganache filling, I just love the look and taste of this impressive dessert, and you really just can't go wrong with anything chocolate. So last but not least, these peppermint cake balls are a good way to throw together a really fast but really tasty dessert option. So if you are like me, you might always have some cake layers or cake scraps in your freezer. Just toss them together with some buttercream that I also always have on hand, and add some crushed candy canes, and you have yourself a really fast dessert offering. When I made these last year for my family party, I was really surprised at how quickly these went compared to all the other desserts that everybody else brought, but it really makes sense when you think about it. It's just sort of like you walk past the table, grab one, pop it in your mouth, and go. The kids love them, the adults love them. Like, you don't need a fork or a plate. It's just such a super simple dessert. So there you go, guys. 8 really easy, delicious desserts for this holiday season. So just be sure that if you're going to bring something vegan, it's going to be out of this world delicious, and I can assure you my desserts are exactly that. We definitely don't need to be representing vegan with no crappy renditions of the holiday favorites. You're gonna have people going, did y'all taste that nasty pumpkin pie that she brought? And she wants us to go vegan? No, thank you. So I can assure you that as long as you get your recipes at GretchensVeganBakery.com, you are going to be the star of the party, with everyone asking for more, and probably the recipes, and maybe some tips on how they too can go vegan. I have them all together on one neat page, so just click the link below. Thanks to everyone for watching my videos, liking, sharing, subscribing. I hope that you guys have a really awesome Thanksgiving this year with no family feuding over your vegan lifestyle. And until next time, guys, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.